How's it going, everybody? Just wanted to introduce you to the new project here. 2001 SV650 Suzuki, bike well known, well loved. If you Google them, you can't find a bad word about them. V-twin power, I think they make about 70 horse on this year, and lightweight, just a good time. I've always wanted one of these. I've had numerous bikes, but I've always had a soft spot for SV650s, and I saw this one come up for sale. Needed a lot of love, and figured to jump on it. Maybe I could show you guys what it takes to buy a bike like this and do what it takes to get it back on the road. This one does have a bit of a story. It was actually stolen over a year ago from the previous owner. During the time it was stolen, the steering was locked, and it was thrown into a van. That caused the, they moved the bar controls here, dented the tank, and it was recovered a couple days later. Luckily, it had never been ran. They tried to get it into the ignition switch, to no avail. But anyway, I bought it just as you see it, but the steering was still locked. So I had to drill out the ignition switch just to get it moving so I could push it on and off the truck and into the spot you see here. But what we'll be doing first is cleaning it up and then assessing the damage, assessing maybe what we need to do to it. I've got some parts on order. I've got a new ignition switch, fuel tank block, the matching box cylinders. And then beyond that, just as a precaution, we're going to go ahead and pull the carburetors off. After we make sure the motor can actually still turn over and everything seems mechanically fine. But we'll clean the carbs, clean the bike up, ignition switch, maybe just give it a good once over, change the oil and whatnot. But I think with any luck we'll have a running bike within a few days, as long as we get to work on it. But it should be pretty fun. What I want to know is what you guys would like to see. Like I said, I'm going to try to document exactly what it takes to get one of these back on the road, but once it's done, which shouldn't take much work, we have options. We want to play with it. We want to maybe modify it a little bit. Maybe we'll keep it stock. Maybe we'll just do road trips on it. I don't know. What would you guys like to see? That's what I want to know. So, let me know. And yeah, you'll be seeing this here very shortly as we document each step. It should be a lot of fun, so I hope you guys enjoy.